Okay guys, so this is the video of what I've done so far. I was working on KITT with the starting problem we had, and what happened to be is the Vats module was damaged, so the car wouldn't start. It wouldn't read the key or any bypass or any resistor or anything. I replaced it, all kinds of parts, including the neutral safety switch, starter relay, ignition switch, new alternator, voltage regulator, and checked all the wires and the battery was draining and everything. So what happened, I bought this Vats bypass module, and after installing it, she started right up. There's a couple different options how you can install it. The way I've done it is I install it inside the dash. I can't see really, but if I turn the key, you will see light, blue light. So there you go, you saw the light for 1 second, and you can see there's no security light on. But the problem with bypassing the Vats module is basically anybody can start your car. So what I've done is I install a kill switch which turns off the ground of the module, the bypass module, and she will crank but she will not start, and you can do anything you want with the wires, she will not start no matter what, because the computer will not get the 30 Hertz signal, and that's just a specific signal that nobody can bypass really. So the way I've done it, I installed a switch in here that's off, and when you flip it, so I'm going to show you a different way, turn it on. When you flip it, now she's on, so now you can turn her over and she's going to start up right away. And now turn it off and it doesn't do anything anymore. So after 2 years of battle and looking for all kinds of problems, the Vats module was the fucking problem. So if anybody needs help installing it, I have pictures on my page. You can check them out, how I installed them. And that module will work for any Vats key, which is the Vats system 1, the Vats system 2, and basically any key with this resistor in there. If I can focus it, come on. But yeah, as long as you have this, your car will break eventually, and then you're stranded. Okay, that's for it. Thank you guys.